welcome back to another episode of Noble Vlogs. Currently right now I am raking up the field that I windrowed, I believe it was last video. Dad, he raked up and baled some of it already, as you guys can see, of all the bales. I think he got 130 something, I think 131, and on the pickup corners, if you guys remember, I think I got like 38 or 39. Anyways, like I said, I'm just raking it up. Dad, he's gonna be showing up here eventually with the hay sled so that we can pile all these bales, get them off the field, because the field is already turning green and starting to grow again. So we need to get this stuff baled up and get the bales off. Eventually, we are going to have to get the telehandler over here to help with piling bales. But I think once I get done raking with this, I'm gonna take it to another field and I'm gonna take a pickup home, and not quite sure what's gonna happen. Possibly come here and bale it up, or I might be helping stack bales. Like I said, not totally sure. James had to take his truck up to a mechanic because I think he said he wanted to get his truck aligned and get some tires for the flatbed trailer, so then that way we don't have to worry about tires blowing off on the trailer. And like I said, you just want it realigned. But that's what's going on right now, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video and stay tuned. One field raked up. We brought the rake over to this other field of ours. This field, James and I actually share crop together with a neighbor, and don't have a whole lot of footage on this one just because I haven't really taken any. Although I think way back when I first started the channel, I had a clip of Dad and I taking some hay tarps off of some square bales down, and that was on this field. But for now, Dad is still putting bales into 12s, and James, I'm gonna call him later on and see what the plan is for him. May have to go pick him up, but for right now, just gotta let the hay sit a little bit, dry out. Got very good wind, sun is poking through, and yeah, just gotta let the hay dry and then wrap it up. Dad called me and gave me the go-ahead to go ahead and head down and start wrapping up the hay. But before that, it looks like we need to put some fuel in. was going along and all of a sudden I started hearing some kind of knock coming from the baler. At first I thought it was in the pickup head, but now I think it may actually be a bearing. Dad's currently looking right now. I'm in the tractor, turning it on and off. Obviously, I'm not gonna have it on with him on the baler, but turning it on and off so then he can try and figure out where it's at, because neither one of us really actually know where it's at.
Can't budge that bolt.
It's still loose.
Yeah. I can't budge that bolt. We're getting bearing knock in it for some reason.
That's not, that is drivable.
But that bearing ain't hot.
This is, or it's warm.
I know. I wonder if that sprocket's working back and forth on the shaft.
It's creating a bunch of friction that's...
Well, making it knock back and forth. It's going knock, 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 knock.
We didn't take that out though, so we couldn't have bent it.
No. But we're not tight, but that bolt's tight.
You want me to kick it on and see if the bolt's kind of moving around like this?
See, look.
You want to see if the bolt's moving kind of like back and forth or up and down?
The bolt ain't moving. The bearing ain't out.
So what would happen if we tighten this up?
Because this bolt's screwed into the shaft, and I'm moving the sprocket on the shaft. I'm moving something there.
You want to go get the other one?
The other baler?
That way if something is messed up, we don't mess it up anymore.
Yeah, but how are we going to figure it out? I suppose make this bale, take it up, and get the other one.
Okay.
I should take this apart. Because it didn't make noise till you put hay in it, and now the bale's in it, it's still making noise.
Yeah.
We need to drop this all off, take this sprocket off, take this sprocket off, check them bearings, so we don't ruin a shaft.
Oh, that sucks. So far, there's 191 bales on this. I'm not quite sure how many I've done so far. I want to say I've done almost 80. But just got to head back. Got the other one. That's a really good thing that we do have a second baler, or else we would have to start putting some of this hay into squares, which we really mainly wanted to round this because we still have a bunch on contract to go to a feedlot. But it's no big deal, just the other one's a little bit slower and doesn't ride as good. But it sits out wider, and so I'm not rolling over hay constantly. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Just got done with the field. I have a 26-inch bale, so it's only 2 feet. Just gonna take it home and probably dump it somewhere out of the way for now. On this monitor we had 101 bales, and on the other one I want to say we had like 191, something like that. So almost 300 bales, and so that's almost 2 bales to the acre. But for right now, gonna head home, find a spot to dump the bale, and catch you guys then. Finally made it back home. I just kicked that bale out down our bunker area. Don't quite know if that's where I should have put it, but that's just where I put it for now. That's gonna do it for this episode, guys. Let me know what you guys liked about the video, what you guys want to see. Like always, comment them down below. Like and subscribe, like always. That's really all I got for you. I really do enjoy getting to see all the subscribers I've been getting. Like, literally, I had a subscriber today while I was baling, and I was looking at it, and I started smiling about it. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Be sure to stay tuned for the next one. See ya!